Gates open, they're up and racing. Sugar Glaze draws for your lead, moving up by the rail. High Money. Kitty West comes next. Sir Ferdinand Chismosa moving up by the rail. Then sneaking in down on the inside. Lucky Pal and Midnight Meat is the early trailer as they leave the straight. And now rounding at a 3/4 mile pole. Sugar Glaze in command, followed by High Money. Kitty West is on the outside, third running by the rail, fourth Chismosa, Wild Knife, Lucky Fall, then comes Sir Ferdinand and Midnight Myth. He's running at the tail of the field as they race at the last 900. Two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. High Money from the outside, Sugar Glaze drops back in second. Chismosa moving up by the rail, Kitty West shuffled back in fourth, Lucky Fall, Midnight Mate, and Sir Ferdinand as they race at the last 600. High Money, Chismosa moving up by the rail, Sugar Glaze drops back in third, then comes Lucky Pal as they race at the last 450. High Money, Chismosa moving up by the rail, Chismosa takes the lead by the rail. High Money is on the outside second. Then comes Kitty West, Lucky Pal, Midnight Meat. And down the stretch they come. We have the favorite, Chismosa. This time by about 5 lengths, followed by High Money, Kitty West, Lucky Pal. And finally, Chismosa. High Money. Then comes Kitty West, Lucky Pal, Sir Ferdinand, Midnight Meat. And Sugar Glaze comes in last.
Okay, 2-4-1.